Welcome back to the Mobile Meals Kitchen. Steve Duval and Tom Shaw from the Motor Coach. Oh my gosh, somebody is ready for St. Patty's Day.
Yes, I am.
You know, this is one of those recipes, and you can look at everything we have, and I'm just going to lay it out right here. This is a 5 on the ARIA scale.
Yeah, it's going to be lots of ingredients.
It's labor intensive. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it, but this is one of those things, because we do so many real fast meals here in the kitchen. And sometimes when it's rainy out, or you just want to get everybody together and have a fun time cooking, this would be a great meal, because you're going to spend a couple hours doing this.
Yes, yep.
All right, so one of the main ingredients, baked potatoes. And we have those baking already in the oven. So you're gonna bake your potatoes. We have ground beef.
You wanna explain how the baked potato setting works?
I love the baked potato setting on this. Literally on this microwave, you hit potato, and then you hit start, and it senses how many potatoes you have in there. So you can go up to 4. This recipe calls for 6. So you may have to do batches, or you can simply convect bake them. And that's what we have right now, 375, because we have 6 of them in there. So depending on how many you do, this is for 6 large stuffed potatoes. So we're gonna ground some beef. Go ahead and let's pour some olive oil in our pan here. We'll get the beef going, and then we're gonna add some onions, some pepper, some garlic. We're gonna throw in some frozen vegetables. We have all kinds of cheese, all kinds of spices. We have sour cream, we have heavy cream. We have all sorts of deliciousness going into this. Beef is in the pan. Tom, go ahead. Let's throw in our peppers and our onions. And you can use, this is a really lean ground beef here. You can use whatever your favorite is. You got a lot of nice peppers, have a lot of color in it, and some red peppers in there. And you're gonna go ahead and let this cook all the way through, and when it's done, drain your beef. Toss in some garlic. We like to use the pre-chopped in a jar. Save some time and last in your fridge for months. All right, time to add a lot of stuff here. Mixed vegetables, Worcestershire sauce, tomato paste, steak seasoning, salt, pepper, paprika, red pepper.
Yeah.
It is a lot of stuff, so let's go ahead and toss in our vegetables. And this is a frozen bag of mixed veggies here. So our meat and veggie mix is on a low simmer. It is done. Our potatoes are done. We're going to pull those out of the oven. And this is kind of the fun part here.
Yeah.
We get to take and chop the tops off and then scoop out the insides. There we go.
Now you kind of want to make sure that once you've let these cool so that you can handle them.
Certainly let them cool. Hot potato.
Hot potato,
Wasn't that a
yeah.
fun game? So what you're gonna do on your potatoes is you're gonna take thin right off the top, like a little boat.
Yep.
Potato town,
Yes.
boat to potato town. So be careful when you're doing that. And remember, use a sharp knife and don't slice your hand. Just like that. And when they're done and they're peeled, it's just gonna be like peeling a potato. All right, so next we get to play Dr. Frankenstein and scoop out the insides. And we're gonna put them right into this bowl.
You want to get as much of that out as you can. Just don't break the skin.
Because we're gonna mix all this stuff up and restuff them. That was labor intensive.
It was, but we got them all.
We scooped them out. Now we add the rest of this. We're gonna go ahead and start with the butter. Now you can mash this by hand. This is just gonna save us a little time. Gonna throw in our butter. The entire recipe with the exact measurements will be at the end of this video.
We want to use that because we spent the money to buy it, so we might as well just use it.
All right, now we add in everything else.
All right, so we got our heavy cream.
Yep.
That's gonna make that awesome.
Sour cream. And 3 kinds of cheese. We got the Jack, we got the cheddar, we got the parmesan.
This is gonna be awesome.
Are you ready to do some stuffing?
Yes, we've got the assembly line going.
All right, so I'm going to scoop the meat mixture. Tom is going to be in charge of the potato mixture, and our oven is preheating to 375 degrees because these things need to bake one more time.
All right.
All right, we got them piled high and deep. We're gonna do a dash of paprika on top and right into the oven. We're gonna let them cook. We're gonna pull them out, sprinkle a little cheese on there, a couple of chives, give them 5 more minutes. So hang on, we'll be right back. It's been 20 minutes. We're gonna take these out, sprinkle a lot of cheese on these because that's what they need. Holy smokes.
Awesome.
Look at that. Wow.
Once again, we're being saved by the parchment paper.
Oh, can you imagine cleanup with this? I think just the crusty, when this burns, the brown stuff on the side is gonna be delicious.
Good.
This is like no, just pour it on there. It's like a cheese bath.
We had leftover cheese, so we're just.
It's a cheese bath.
5 minutes in there.
Yeah, let that cheese melt. And away we go. All right, it's been 5 minutes and our potatoes are swimming in a sea of cheese. All right, let's get these babies out of here. Oh my. Oh, a cheesy delight. It's gonna sprinkle some chives on there.
I can't tell when the next one begins.
Or where the cheese is. Holy smokes. You need a cheese lifeguard in here.
This is a...
I'll save your life, Tom.
Our take on shepherd's pie for St. Patrick's Day. There's no famine here when it comes to our potatoes. We have...
You will be full of cheese. You want to talk about a backed up tank. That's this. So we have the entire recipe for you at the end of this video, all the measurements, all the steps. Remember, we gave this a 5 on the ARIA scale, but it's one of those where it's great to get everybody together in the kitchen, spend some quality time making a delicious gooey mess.
And we're gonna have tons of leftovers with the meat and the potatoes, so this is gonna make a couple meals on top of having this little cool treat here.
So enjoy. We're gonna let this cool. We're going to indulge, and we will see you on the next episode of Mobile Meals.